For you to reset your YouTube feed, you want to go ahead and open up the YouTube like I've done here. Then tap on the U icon at the bottom right. Once under you then want to go ahead and tap on the settings at the top right. Then you want to go ahead and tap on manage all history. Tap on manage all history. Once you are here, then you want to tap on the delete option right here. Then you want to go ahead and select delete all time. You will have a text message suggesting you to confirm you would like to delete the following activity. And once again, you want to select delete. Deletion complete, and your YouTube feed has been successfully reset. Now you want to go back and confirm. It will show a blank YouTube interface. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.